Hello guys, welcome to Tech Help Guy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find your ID or how to find ID on Telegram. So, first things first, you have to open your Telegram application. Okay, just wait for the application to load up and go to your settings and search for user ID bot. Now, click on the very first thing here and then click on start. And oh, by the way, guys, this one is actually not working anymore. This was the old one. Let's try to type that in once again and choose the other one here instead of this one. Okay, let's type in user ID uh, and then click on this one and then hit on start. And in this, guys, in this part, are you able to see your ID, which will be displayed in here? So if you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.